Welcome to part 5 of our data migration series. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to import invoices into Correc, especially when each invoice spans multiple rows in your source file. Let's begin. Follow along by visiting our website's tutorial section for a link to the sample files used in this tutorial. The Invoice Import view is designed to handle complex data, where a single invoice is represented by several rows. Invoices can only be created for customers that already exist inside Correc. Customer matching is done by pairing customer names. Start by entering 3 in the Skip Lines field. This skips the header rows in the sample file. Next, select the binocular icon, choose Open CSV or XLS file, and select Invoices XLS. This file doesn't pair one-to-one. Instead, invoices are grouped using a designator combined with the invoice number. A designator identifies which rows belong to an invoice. In this example, the type column contains the value invoice, which marks every invoice-related row. From the designator drop-down, select Type. A list of values found in that column appears. From that list, choose Invoice as the designator. You may choose more than one designator value, but only one column can serve as the designator column. Next, we pair the attributes needed to create each invoice: invoice number, date, account number. Not used, Correc auto assigns account numbers. Shipper, not used. Sold to, not used. Shipped to, not used. Message, not used. Terms, not used. Quantity, part code, not used. Description, memo. Price, sales price, extended price, amount. Tax, not used. Shipping, not used. Correc uses its existing invoice logic, along with customer defaults and receivable schedules, to fill in any fields not explicitly paired here. Customer pairing ensures each invoice is connected to an existing Correc customer. This is a two-step process. From the drop-down next to Auto Pair, select Name. Correc displays the customer names found in the import file. These names should match your existing Correc customer records. Select Auto Pair to automatically match them. Invoice items must be paired with an invoice item schedule from Correc's accounts receivable system. These schedules determine how items behave on an invoice, such as labor, materials, or services. To pair items, from the drop-down next to Add All, select Item. Correc displays the item names found in your import file. For each item, choose an invoice item schedule in the pairing table. You can use Add All to quickly populate every item into the pairing table. Remember, invoice item names from the import file are not the same as Correc slate or total labels. Use clear naming to avoid confusion. If you make a mistake, simply change your selection. When all pairings are complete, select Create to generate the invoices. The newly created invoice records appear in the left panel. Review each record for accuracy. When everything looks correct, select Save to complete the import. One final reminder. Before importing invoices, make sure all customers already exist in Correc, and receivable schedules are fully configured. This ensures clean and accurate invoice imports. That covers importing invoices into Correc. In our final tutorial, we'll walk through importing transactions. Thanks for watching.